Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Play Store not working in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and find Play Store. Now click on search here Play Store. Now click on Play Store and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache and data of Play Store. After clear the cache and data of Play Store, then go back to your home screen and then check your internet connection works properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.